Hey guys, it's Miranda here at Sunshine and Grace, where I make journals and ephemera for life, sun, and sunshine, and grown in grace. Today we're doing something a little bit different, and this was inspired by my friend Cheryl Salifas over on her channel. She made these, and I was so in love with them. This is part of my design team project for November with Antonio Makes, so I'm using his Imperial Indigo kit. Y'all, you gotta see this. We're going from these just, not bad, but, a little plain coffee dyed doily to that. Oh my lands. Look at this, you guys. Look at some of these. Let me grab one more, just to give you a sneak peek. You'll get to see them all to the end. Look at that. Now, you tell me, which one's got more pop? Which one's got more pow to it? Yeah, these. Oh my goodness, I am absolutely smitten with them. So, we're going to make these, okay? And it's literally doilies, and you need one sheet of copy paper or many sheets of copy paper if you want to do what I'm going to do and use the negatives. Look at those. Is that not pretty also? Yes, perfect for journal pages. Yeah. So, you get double the bang for your buck with these. So it's copy paper and doilies. Copy paper and doilies. And a printer. That's it. And yeah, you probably want a digital kit, but you could also just scan like a book page or a hymnal or something in if you wanted to and use that. But that's basically it. Maybe a glue stick to glue it on with to the copy paper, but it's the simplest project ever. So, y'all, let's do this. Okay, to do this, you're going to take your doily. I'm using just one that's slightly coffee dyed. You're going to flip. This is the front side. You can see the embossing in the flowers. You're going to flip it over. You're going to take your glue stick. If you've got a cheap glue stick, like a kid's school glue stick, that will work the best, but any glue stick will work. And you're just going to very lightly tap it in a couple spots along the very edge. Just lightly tap it to get just a little bit of glue on there. And you'll work your way around the doily doing that, making sure to get all of the bumps. And I just used the tiniest little bit of glue. Then I put the doily on the paper. It's just plain old copy paper. Just white copy paper. And then, I think I have another doily here. Should have. Maybe not. Maybe I've used them all now. Okay. Well, if I have extra doily, like if I have a small doily, I will take and put it on here too. Doing the same process, just tapping the edges around to put it on and print 2 at a time. You can print 2 small ones or maybe even 3 small ones if you had smaller ones. Okay, and that is it. Then you take and you load it in your printer, whichever way your printer prints. My printer, I have to load it in upside down because it prints like that. So I want to make sure that the edge that's going to be coming up is down. So I want that right there to be tight. And then I just take and print it in my printer, and when it comes out, you'll see that in a second. Okay, they've come out of the printer. You can see I put 2 on there. They are printed. So what we're going to do is we're just going to pop them off the page. And this is so simple. You just lightly, gently, you gotta be kind of careful. You don't want to rip it. Just pull it loose. Look at that, you guys. Oh my lands, how gorgeous is that one? I think that's the prettiest one yet. I love the birds. Oh my lands. Okay, you don't want to let these sit real long because the longer they sit, the more stuck that glue might become on the edge of the doily. And there's the second one. And there is what we are left with, which also makes a gorgeous journal page. Okay. Okay, so here's what we came up with when I was finished. Look at these. Okay, these are absolutely stunning. This right here might be maybe my favorite. I don't know. I absolutely love how rich and elegant that one looks. And this one, the printable that I used on this was a digital kit from Antonio Makes. And it had, it was like a 4 thing. It had 4 backgrounds on the page. So you can see there's a little overlap that adds some interest. I thought that one turned out really good too. There's this one. All of these are from the Imperial Indigo kit by Antonio Makes, actually, which I am using for my November design team project. Look, I love this one. I think This and the one little butterfly are probably my favorite. And this and these are my favorite. These are second. And then I love all of them though. I mean, because that is absolutely stunningly gorgeous. Look at that. So simple, so easy, and just absolutely gorgeous. So, just want to remind y'all that if you've not trusted Jesus, that I would love to tell you about my precious Savior. Get you saved for all eternity right now. So just drop me a comment below and, say, hey, look, tell me about him, please. And I'd be more than happy to. It'd be my pleasure. And if you found value in this video, please hit that like button. And be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so that you'll get notified when I put new content out. And look us up over on Facebook at Sunshine and Grace Journals. I have a Facebook page for it. And there is the Facebook VIP group for all y'all to join. And yeah, we just have a lot of fun over there. It's just really great. I'm just fidgeting with these while I talk because they're so pretty and I can't quit touching them. And I want to make some more, but I'm running out of doilies. So guess who's ordering doilies soon? Okay. Yeah, y'all just let me know. And be sure to like me and like the page. Oh my man, I'm such a dork. But like the page over on Facebook and follow it and all that. And yeah, that's where you get notified of any new things coming up. You get behind the scenes, sneak peeks, all that good stuff. Okay. All right. We'll chat later, guys. Grace and peace. Bye-bye.